To unarchive a post on Instagram, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, select Archive to view all your archived posts. In the Archive section, you will see all the posts you have archived. Tap on the post you want to unarchive and then tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post. From the options that appear, select Show on Profile to unarchive the post. The post will now be visible on your profile page. Again, for all your followers to see. It is essential to note that when you unarchive a post, it will go back to its original position on your profile based on the date it was posted. If you want to rearrange the order of your posts, you can consider using the Grid Planner tool or posting new content to push the unarchived post to a different position. Best practices for archiving and unarchiving posts on Instagram include using the feature to hide posts that are no longer relevant, to keep your profile organized, or to remove any content that may not align with your current brand or message. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively manage your Instagram posts and maintain a professional and engaging profile.